Ace, be real with me. Everyone and their grandmother is doing high ticket in 2026. Is it actually too late to start if I have 0 followers? I feel like the big guys have already taken all the customers. No, they haven't. Don't feel like that. Don't compare yourself to other people because you see them making sales. Listen, not everybody has customers. Some people are still just getting started and they're just learning the ropes and the tricks of the trade. Don't think that just because you see there's so much success out there and the gurus are out there rubbing it in your face that there's no absolute chance for you because you don't have followers. We did it without followers.
Yep.
And we taught people how to do it without followers as well.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes.
Getting started.
Yes. So did you want to add anything?
Well, everybody feels like they see so many people promoting affiliate marketing and they think that, I don't have an opportunity, I don't have a chance and things like that. But the reality is that you do. There's so many people out there right now that are struggling. Let's say that, people are taking those people from you, right? Let's just say that. Did you know they're struggling right now? Because those gurus out there do not really care about their success. Okay, as we know, being in this industry for so long, the gurus don't care about your success. All they care about is their profits and nothing else.
True.
And I understand it's a business. I understand you have to make profit. But you know what? People also are important too. It's not just your profit.
Absolutely.
And they don't treat them like people. They just treat them like, well, how much money am I going to make off of this one, right? And for us, we never.
That's cold.
Yeah, that's cold. We never really run our business that way.
No.
Yeah, we want to be in profit. Yes, we focus on profit. But we also focus on, if we're going to make profit, how much can we deliver? How much can we do? How much can we serve? How much can we actually bring things to another level that nobody has ever done on the internet? And that's what we've always done, and we continue to do so. And that's why we're able to stay successful for many, many, many years since we met, right?
Absolutely. And our community and, the people within our community love the way we have our philanthropy going amongst them. We have them doing things together. You want to be a part of something, be a part of something that's fun. If you're a part of something that is not fun, go ahead and create your own tribe. That's what I always say.
And you know what? There's so many people out there. Never feel like, you can't build a business because you feel like, all the gurus are going to take them away.
Nah.
No, they're not.
No.
Because not everybody can relate to those gurus.
Exactly.
But there's someone that can relate to you.
Absolutely.
Especially if you keep it real and down to earth.
That's right. So you'll find somebody that likes you.
So go for it, Marcus. Kick some serious butt out there. We believe in you.
Yes.